Hi, my name is Emily. I've decided today to go with the Champion City Hair Studio as my well-designed website. This is my personal hair studio that I go to, and I thought their website was really well designed. It's very simplistic, it's very detailed, it's just very clean and very consistent throughout the design. So to start off with the elements of design, we're going to start with color. Throughout their website, they keep a very warm gold and neutral feeling to it. They have lots of pictures of their space here that has all their gold accents, and the whole website is just neutral colors with those gold accented photos in the background. I'll click through so you can see. So each tab has a different header, and they all have that gold accent with just the neutral black and white themed pages. And then onto shape, all the buttons that you see on the pages are rectangular. So each page you go to has those shapes. And then if you go to like their team page of their stylist, the photos are also rectangular. And it's very consistent, and you have the buttons throughout that are all rectangular. And I think that's a good pattern and shape, that they keep everything very geometrical and consistent. To go with line, they have these nice lines they put at the top here under each tab to let you know, first of all, where you are, and then where you're hovering over if you want to click to the next page. To talk about space, they keep this consistent white space up here every page that you click. So you have that negative space here at the top, and throughout their entire website, they're using up a lot of white negative space here, and they use it very well. They keep everything very clean. To go into size, I believe they use the hierarchy of their text very well. So like if you go to their investment page, for example, all of their pages have this nice sized header to show you, of course, what the page is about. And then if you go down here, this is what they're talking about. Their prices are starting at. If you continue scrolling down, they have their cuts, facial wax, color, highlights, etc., which are the sections of the prices. And then underneath that, even smaller text, the prices are the third most important thing to look at. So they use their hierarchy as their size and of their text very well. To move on to pattern, as I stated before, they use that rectangle and the rectangular buttons very consistently throughout their website. So you can go through and you see the rectangular buttons on every page. And if you go to the investment page, I think that the way they use the text with that center alignment here makes it very clean and crisp. From reading it from top to bottom, it's not identical. The text is not identical, but the pattern is consistent. To go into texture, I love this handwriting style text they use. They use that on every page. You can go to their, come see us page, and it's here. They use it all throughout. They use it down at the bottom for their location. And I think that's a very welcoming or warm kind of feeling to it. It's a very organic, handwritten, shapely text. So it's almost like they're personally writing like who we are or to come see us, things like that. It's almost like they're inviting us in with that kind of cozy handwritten text. And the last one is value. So as you know, they have this white value at the top here, and their whole website is all grays and whites just throughout with the black text. And so I think that using that at the bottom with this dark charcoal space here, I think that really balances out the value with all this light and white throughout the website with that nice dark charcoal at the bottom. It really does a nice balance with the value. Using the elements of design as a guideline for this website, I really think that they designed it well, and I think that it's one of the cleaner websites I've seen.